Okay, quickly we're going to do a few examples. Write this down. F of x plus 5. What happened here? This is your D, right? It's outside the parentheses. What happened? Which way did it move? Up. 5. So you're going to put up 5. It shifted up 5 units. Okay? Because it says plus 5 at the end. Let's do another one. What if it says f of x minus 2?
It went down.
It went down. Down how many?
2.
Down 2. Okay, translation down 2 units. What if it says f of x plus 3? Now it's inside the parentheses. Now what happened?
That went up.
No, it's inside the parentheses. That's your C. Look at your notes. What does C do?
Oh, that's left.
Left, because it says positive 3, right? So it went left 3. It's the opposite. If it's inside the parentheses and it says plus, then it went to the left. What if it's inside the parentheses, but now it says minus 1?
To the right.
Now it went to the right. To the right 1. And these are the key words that I want you to be looking out for. Okay? What if it did something like this? F of x plus 2 inside the parentheses, and then outside the parentheses they said minus 1.
Left and down.
Left 2 because it's inside the parentheses. Write that down. Left 2. And outside the parentheses it says minus 1, so that means down 1. And down 1. Okay? Let's do one more. What if in the very front you have a negative f of x? What did it do? What if there's a negative in the front? What did we say? It's a reflection over the x-axis. Okay? And I'm going to do one more, just one more. What if I say 2 f of x? Yeah, because it's greater than 1, right? And it's in the very front, so it's a vertical stretch. Okay, I think you guys are ready for the quizzes now that I gave you a few examples. Always look for the key words up. Oops. Always look for the key words up, down, left, right, reflection, vertical stretch, okay? So that you can figure out the equation that goes with it.